cocked up, dude. Oh, they are total. Look, my rear end is fucked. He's just pulling more shit. That shit's crazy. She's just like totally fucked. Look at that shit. He's just pulling my shit up. Oh my god. That look like it hurts. Yo, that shit.
As long as the front is actually rolling, we're good.
Yeah, the front is good. Oh man. Yeah. When you're letting it off, it'll go back a little bit, so you'll be good with that.
Yeah, getting an album